Now you can see here still we did not get. Okay, to get this we have to go in the, now we have to write the style in the head section. Okay, where is the head? Here. Now we have to write, first of all we are writing the form, to form padding. Okay, before of this we have to write the style tag, style opening and closing. Now we have to write padding, as much as I want to give 100%. Now we will see what is the changing, what changes available here. I can see here the padding, it is showing the here. Now we are doing here the 20. Now it is showing here the and 10. Okay, and the now we have to write the input. Because of input text we have given there, to make the little bit change in the input, so we are writing here opening and closing tag. Now we have to write the type text. Now we have to write the width, I'm writing here the 100 pixel. Now we will see what changes is available here. I can see here the text fill, as we are having the text fill here, the text fill is reduced because of, with the help of width, as I have said the width in the input text section. With the help of this we can increase or decrease the text field. As you can see here, this is decreased, so now we are again want to get the, I want to give the 170. Now you can see here it is saying the 170 means it is look like the username and password. 165. Now both are equal. And then margin and padding from the top and bottom we want to give here. Margin from the top, I want to write the top, from the top 100 pixel. Now we will see what changes is available here. You can see here the changes is available here, like this. Okay, so we have to write here the 20, because I want only little bit change. You can see here I have changed the 20. Okay, like this we can give. And now we are doing the main change to get the CDN link. Now we have to again go in the style section. Now we have to write the placeholder, because of, you can see here we have write the class name. You can see here the class. Okay, still we did not write. Now we are writing the class with the help of class, and then we can get. First of all we have to go in the input section. In the input section we have to write the class. Here we can write the anything, please icon. Now we are writing here the please icon, and this one also we are copying from here to password also. In the password we are writing here as I have write here the, now still it is not showing. Now we have to go here the as we want to set for the class. For that we have to write here is a dot. In the class we have write the place icon, and then we have to open the curly bracket. After opening the curly bracket, and then we have to write the font family. In the font family we have to write font awesome. After the writing here, and then we have to go in the Google. In the Google we will see what kind changes is available here. Now you can see here is the showing user. In the username we got user, but in password we did not get here. To get the in the password we have to write something also. Okay. I can see here C is not with the side class. C is we have given the space here, so it is not showing. We have to write it properly. C class, as I have write it properly. Now you can see here password, the lock is also showing here. Like this we can write the any other tag also, as I want to show you. As I am copying this, I'm writing in the top, and I can see here I'm giving the name for that Facebook, and I can see here the name Facebook is showing here. Okay, now we are writing the BR. Now it is showing the here. Now we have to get the icon here. For that we have to write here the yeah. Now we will see the one more example of, now we want to get a Facebook also. To get the Facebook also, for that we have to copy again these all of. After the copy, and then we have to paste here after the password, and then we have pasted here. Now we have to change from here Facebook, and then text we have to write the same as it is I'm having now. Okay, Facebook ID. To get the icon, for that we have to go again here, and then as you can see here, now I am here F082. Now again we will see, you can see here Facebook logo also showing here. These all of called the awesome fonts. Like this fonts we can use in our project, in our page. Thank you.